yeah, it'll be fine.
Lower 20s all throughout the night. What was the most wind speed you saw, David?
We were that you call Black Death.
Oh yeah? Black Wall of Death, I know, that's my famous line. Hey, we made the right call. He said, what do we do? It's like, breathe. Every time.
No, I think we did well. We were set up for everything we should have been set up for.
Yeah.
Now the last fucking minute.
Yeah, we were good. Pretty cool. 20 miles to go. Team located.